1 Minute English. In this 1 minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for let in. Let in means to allow someone or something to enter. For example, the supermarket opened and let in the customers. The door was opened to let in some fresh air. Our meeting room has large windows that let in a lot of light. Let someone in for means to put yourself in a difficult situation. For example, John didn't know what he let himself in for when he took the sales job. Let someone in on means to share information. For example, Mia let Jeff in on her new business idea. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using let in and leave it in the comments below.